new just listed home, 10483 Azalea Park Drive, Pinellas Park, Florida, by Stephen Mason and Ashley Mason from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offers 1,085 square feet of potential in the Springwood II community. The living room opens to a private courtyard, providing a great space to redesign for indoor-outdoor living. The adjacent kitchen area awaits your custom finishes and appliances. The floor plan features 2 spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet and 2 full bathrooms ready for your vision. Enjoy a peaceful pond view and fantastic community amenities like a pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. This blank canvas is an incredible opportunity. Contact us today and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.